How to review activity history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review activity history on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click this settings and privacy, and then settings and go down until you find activity log, and go down again and then click view activity history. And as you see here, you can review activity history, and that's how to review activity history on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.